Alright guys, I just woke up today and this is day 2. You can see my face is kind of glowing right now. Well, that's just my natural face. My face is oily because, I don't know, maybe it's genetics from my mom. Today I will be doing the day as usual, like drinking turmeric ginger shots, get some vitamin D from sunlight, and that's it. Here's the turmeric ginger shot I will be drinking today. Okay, I've poured it here and let's drink this. Oh, the taste is so strong, but that's it. First step done. We'll do the skincare and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so I've washed my face. Well, anyways, gonna do usual toner, moisturizer, and then sunscreen. This is from Skin Aqua, the white one. Let's do our skincare. Now, the final step, sunscreen. Yeah, this one. It's so red. Well, it's gonna be gone soon. I can see the white head, you know, the white stuff on it, so then apply in your face. You know, what I like about this sunscreen is that it blends smoothly and like it gives you that white glow. The main thing is why I use this sunscreen is because I used this sunscreen before, but the blue one when I was in high school, and it works perfectly fine. And the reason why I choose the white one is that it has tranexamic acid and it helps fade the dark spots, you know. That's why I chose the white one over the blue ones. But yeah, that's it. Our skincare for today is done. The final step, as you guys know, is Vaseline for our lips to give it that nice plump glow. It's becoming my habit, to be honest, because when I don't wear this, it's so dry, bro. It's done, bro. Okay, it's done. Let me let you guys see it. Look, the white heads. Now, if it becomes like this, that means it's gonna be gone soon. I'd say tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, it's gonna be completely gone. It's gonna be completely flat. And let me just add one last final step. I will put on an acne spot. I'm gonna use this one. So this thing has sulfur in it. Yeah, the main ingredients is sulfur. You can just go Google it. I'm not gonna explain to you. Well, if you want me to explain, then sure, I guess. I'll make another video of it. Here it is. I opened this. Basically, what you're gonna do is put it there and yeah, done. That's it. Our final step is done. Now, I'm gonna go outside and get some sunlight to get the vitamin D. Yeah, see you guys soon. We're gonna fly up into the blue sky. We have to Okay, so we're heading towards the end of today's video, which is the day 2, and I didn't want to make this video longer. That's why I already did my nighttime skincare routine, and you guys can see how my skin looks like right now. As you guys can see, I already applied the sulfur acne spot here. I got a little bit of redness here. I just hope it's just a redness, and I hope tomorrow it will be gone. That's it for today's video. See you guys next time. Peace.